Hey guys, today I will tell you how to make chicken haryali karai. For that we will need 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste. I have just taken ginger, garlic and chili and put them in a blender and blended them. That's it. And we will need half kg chicken, some green jalapenos and garlic pieces. I have cut them like this. Some mint and coriander leaves, some chopped onions, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 cup of whipped yogurt. Now let's get started. First, I've taken a pot and I'm adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm adding the chopped onion in it. I'm going to golden fry the onions first. Now the onions are a little bit of golden, not completely golden. Then we have added the ginger, garlic and chili paste, and now they are sauteed together. Then we are adding the chicken into it and going to cook it until the chicken changes its color. So now the chicken has changed its color and released a bit of water. So now I'm going to add yogurt. I'm going to add the yogurt step by step. I'm going to add the yogurt gradually. I've added a little bit of it right now, and when this is mixed completely, then I'm going to add a little more, because if we add all the yogurt together, the chicken will release a lot of water. So I have added all the yogurt. Now I have mixed it for a few minutes and then I'm adding all the spices. Now I've added all the spices. I'm going to mix it a bit and then going to add the last part of the yogurt, which I have left for the spices, because it will mix together and get a really nice taste. It smells so delicious and good. I wish YouTube had a feature of letting the US smell as well, because it smells really nice. Now I have taken a chopper and I'm adding the green ingredients into it: mint and coriander, mint leaves, coriander leaves, then green chilies, and going to just chop them and put this into the chopper. We are going to make a green paste out of it, because that's what I am making haryali karai. Now I am going to add a little bit of water and close the lid and going to turn the blender on. And when our paste is ready, I'm going to put that into the gravy, into the pot where all the ingredients are there. You can see the green part of it. If you want it to be even more green, you can add the green ingredients even more. It's all up to you. You can also add capsicum into this as well, but I don't prefer adding capsicum. That's why I'm not adding it. As you can see, it is green color. Now I'm going to put the lid on and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so the chicken is cooked. So the chicken is cooked and now it's cooked, so the little bit of the green part is gone, but it's still green. It doesn't show on the camera that well. And now I'm adding the kasuri methi onto it and going to mix it a little bit and going to dish it out in a plate. That's it, it's ready. This is so simple and easy. It is so tasty. You can make this for any dawats and anything you like. It is so yummy, and for Eid it is perfect. Now I'm going to add some of the coriander leaves, green chilies and garlic, which I have cut earlier. So here it is, our haryali karai is ready. If you liked my recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what should I make next.